Hey everybody, welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host Josh AA4WX. Just a quick short video promoting tonight's live stream right here on HamShackTV. First off, want to shout out W0MET. He's going to be taking over for me the next couple of weeks as I'm traveling out of town for work. Hopefully I'm able to join the stream just to at least say hello. But tomorrow night, tomorrow night, whichever way you look at it, either way, Thursday, October the 23rd, 8 o'clock Eastern time, we're going to have an exciting live stream with the Bouvet Island DXpedition team. Bob Roth is coming on this channel. If you don't know where Bouvet Island is, it's just north of Antarctica. So this is a really, really unique opportunity. Bring your questions, bring your curiosity, and we'll see you right here on HamShackTV Live tomorrow night, Thursday, October 23rd, 8 p.m. Eastern time. We'll see you there. Thanks for watching 73's AA4WX, WSCB 693.